Hi guys, it's Archie Luxury. Guys, I want to talk to you about David SW. David SW, David SW. Guys, if you are in America, if you are looking for a Rolex watch of your dreams, in fact, if you're looking for a contemporary modern wristwatch, I strongly advise you to look at David SW. Guys, don't play the dealer games. Don't bring in chocolates or Krispy Kremes for your dealer hoping to get a Rolex at retail. It's futile. Please, guys, save your dignity. Keep some pride. Go to David SW. I would highly recommend David SW, David SW. If you're in America and you're looking for a watch, go to David SW, David SW, David SW.
Hey, what's up guys? Mike Ice. I went into the mall today. I walked by the Rolex dealer and I saw a watch I wanted and I just got it and I wanted to share it with you guys. This is actually my first new Rolex. This Submariner here, I've had it for a long time. It's a beautiful watch. I bought it pre-owned and anyway, this is my new one right here. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna unslide that. I want to be careful here. I don't want to ruin anything. For any of my Chinese viewers, if you want me to measure anything or the thickness of the paper to let you know what you guys need to do out there, I'll be more than happy to. Just leave a comment. Okay. Okay. Oh, look at this beauty. It's difficult with one hand. Look at this, guys. Oh my God, isn't that a beauty? Jubilee bracelet. What else came in the box here? Got some links, a little superlative certified chronometer thing. Then over here, there's a little flap. Okay. Look at that pearlescent. Here's the date, 3/18. I got here some warranty booklet, nice little card. Here is the owner's manual. And here is the receipt. I'll give you guys a little peek on it. I'll hide my credit card information. Yep. I had to show the receipt because I know some of you nasty guys will say it's fake or whatever. Look at this watch. Oh my gosh. Let me show you all the details. There's the back. Still has the sticker. I'm not ready to take that off. I'm going to show all the people, especially the haters that will say it's fake or whatever. Let me show you the stampings on there. Oh, look how clear that is. You guys, look at this beauty. Jubilee bracelet. You know, I want to thank all my YouTube subscribers. Just 75 months of your guys' viewership, and this will be paid off. Try it on for you guys. It's crazy how the zoom is so sensitive. Here's the little thing that it came with. It kind of looks like a wax seal. but it's out of some kind of high quality plastic. Here is a bezel protector that snaps on actually really good, and a spare link.
Hi guys, Archie Luxury, and today guys, I'm very proud to introduce a new sponsor of the Archie Luxury and the Paul Plitter channels. Who am I talking about? WhatShopping.com, WhatShopping.com, WhatShopping.com. Check them out guys, jump online, check out WhatShopping.com. These guys here have been in business since 2017. Worldwide shipping and distribution. Over 10,000 wristwatches in inventory. Stock in hand, and 90 plus different brands, new and pre-owned. Now, the good thing about WhatShopping.com, trusted by over 4,000 reviews on Chrono24 and Trustpilot. Your one-stop shop to buy any watch your heart desires. Please guys, check out WhatShopping.com, WhatShopping.com, WhatShopping.com. I'm Archie Luxury, and check out WhatShopping.com. Hey guys, Archie Luxury on the YouTube sensation, the Paul Plitter channel. Guys, I need you to help me out, guys. I can't survive on Google Ads alone. I need you to request a paid review. $50 US. Look down in the description. $50 US. I will review your collection. I'll tell you what I think of it, and I'll give you some pointers. The other thing is, guys, you can sponsor me on Patreon. Patreon allows you to pay a couple bucks a month, $1, $2, $5, whatever you want, and it keeps me going on YouTube because, guys, I'm in a niche. Nobody can make money out of the views I get. The views are crap because it's a small specialized area, and I don't talk about garbage for the sake of views. Guys, sponsor me on Patreon. Look down below, and I will see you in the next one.